All right, who wants to start? All right, go ahead, Yaya. Open up your gifts. Just throw the paper over here. Thank you. Throw it. Okay, yeah. Nice. A little cropped up. Okay, next.
Big socks.
Go ahead, Tom.
Next slides.
You said buy your Nick stuff. That's what I did. Pull it open. Let me see what it is.
Reese's favorite scents.
Oh, nice. Cool. What's that? Oh.
These samples of some scents. Okay.
Don't open that yet. Open that one.
Huh?
Open that one. Can't open that one yet.
What's the difference? Man?
Just open. What I say open.
Wow.
You got your shirts. Nice. Cool. PJs, more PJs. Winter PJs. Who's that, Yaya? Who was that?
Oh, hold on.
Okay. Cool. That one on the bottom.
Uh-huh.
Mephiles, how you say that?
Uh-huh.
The dark. Oh, cool. All right. Go on the side. Maybe they're not. Okay. Didn't have to take that one. Who's that, Yaya?
Applejack.
Applejack. Nice.
This is sweatpants.
I don't know what that is. What is it?
I think it is some sweatpants. Yeah.
Yeah, Knicks. They look like pajamas.
Pajamas?
Maybe they are sweatpants. I don't know. What's the other one? Knicks too?
These look like sweatpants.
Oh, those are sweatpants, yeah.
Okay.
Who's that, Yaya?
Center.
All right. Just put it down. We're gonna have to pick it. Oh, cool. Puffy yummy. Yes, nice. I hope they work.
Knicks. Little Knicks.
Wow.
Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, a calendar. Cool.
And that's
And a card. A free card, I guess. Come with it.
no, I put that on there.
Oh, you have a
So-
card. Cool. Thanks. Cool. And then this is a jacket. I mean, not jacket. Blanket.
Or a towel. What is that? I think it's a blanket.
Yeah, look.
Sometimes I can't remember what I'm about.
This is a t-shirt. Shirt and then
Shorts.
short. Oh my god. Oh, these are cool. This one, I think these are new shirts.
What you got, Yaya? Cool.
Yeah,
More My Little Pony. All right. I think it's a blanket, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna have to clean up this paper. I ain't got time.
Wow.
All right.
So cute.
Cool.
Oh.
All right, that's it for you, son. All right. Pretty. Yeah, since you here, you do the garbage. I couldn't do the garbage in video. All right. Nice. I don't believe you keep in boxes. So.
Wow. Sweet.
Who's that? All right. The My Little Pony. Cool. Is that it? Okay, yes, that's yours. All right, can we open up the big gifts? We got a million videos. Yeah. You gotta watch your sister. Okay, go ahead. What you got there? Oh.
She's so big.
Yeah, she is. Nice. I don't know where you're going to put all your stuff. In another bag, I guess. You need another bookshelf. Cool. More videos. My Little, you're going to be watching My Little Pony forever.
Oh,
She has about 40 of them straight. Oh, my about 30 of these videos. Oh, another My Little Pony video.
oh my god.
All right, more videos coming. Take them all, put them all down. Thanks for putting that on the video. Another My Little Pony video. Next. She got a lot of My Little Pony videos. Who's that? Oh, the kid next door. All right. Now the pony hair stuff. Okay. I don't even remember wrapping that. More Equestria dolls. Cool. Those are like them dolls on them. I think the rest of mine. I think. Oh, we got some more. Yeah. That's it.
So you could unwrap this, or you could take out the box.
How you gonna wrap it in the box?
Let's see how to open the box.
All right. That was a very expensive doll. All right, nice. Cool.
Thank you all so much for watching.
Wait, is it another one you
Oh,
want?
wait a minute.
That one right there. Is that yours?
This one?
Yeah, is it? Is your name on it?
Wait. No. Oh.
Those t-shirts.
More shirts.
A lot of t-shirts.
All right, yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching. Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad. Please make sure to comment down below, like, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.